Alright, I was brought this to repair because apparently it got run over and the pin fell out. So we had one of these to try to wire in, but it turned out we didn't have enough wires because it's obviously using a different protocol and doesn't have as many wires as whatever Logitech's using on their thing. So our new solution was to steal some of the pins off this one, and fortunately they're hollow, and the way it broke off there's a hollow bit in there, so I've gotten a sewing needle, shoved it inside, added a bit of solder around the outside, and now with my pliers I've been able to jam this inside the hole where the pin should be. Ideally I'd get some solder in there, but I don't really know how to heat up the solder that deep inside of, there's no space in there. Probably an electronics guy would have a way of doing it. And then, so that's just loose, but it seems to stay in there good enough. And then it slides over and plugs in, and apparently that's plugging in as deeply as it was before, so this should work. And now we're going to try it.
Oh my god, it works, mate. Thank you so much. Legacy Electrical is the place to come to.